Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cotton candy chocolate at home. First, gather your ingredients and equipment for a smooth process. You will need your favorite melting chocolate, around 200 grams, and fresh cotton candy, about 100 grams. Also, prepare a microwave-safe bowl and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This ensures easy cleanup and perfect results every time. Now let's melt that delicious chocolate. Place your 200 grams of melting chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in 30-second intervals, stirring well after each, until it's completely smooth and lump-free. Alternatively, use a double boiler for a gentler melt. The goal is a warm, pourable consistency, not scorching hot. This is where the magic happens. Immediately add your 100 grams of cotton candy to the warm, melted chocolate. Gently fold the cotton candy into the chocolate using a spatula. You need to work quickly here, as the cotton candy will begin to dissolve almost instantly. The goal is to coat it evenly before it completely disappears. Once combined, quickly spread the cotton candy chocolate mixture onto your prepared parchment paper. Aim for a relatively thin, even layer. Let it cool and set completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes, or chill it briefly in the refrigerator. Once firm, break your unique chocolate creation into delicious, bite-sized pieces and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.